Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Nolan here from Gruene Estate. I'm bringing you guys a DIY craft today to help elevate your wedding. So when we talk to brides, we always ask them what's most important to you, and almost universally they will say using their top two concerns is that their guests enjoy their time or have a great like fun time at their wedding. And so there's not a better way to do that than yard games. Now, if you get married at Gruene Estate and you're one of our brides, we have cornhole and we have washers on the property. So we kind of already have that for you. But I thought a really easy one that would be fun and an easy way to show you guys to add one to the venue if you have some lawn space is ladder golf. And if you're not familiar with ladder golf, I'll put a picture of it up here. And of course, I'll have a link down to a tutorial on how to do this. And so when we're done, if you want to follow along, it'll be easy to find. But ladder golf is basically made out of PVC pipe. It's like 3 rungs with golf balls with a string in between, and you throw it and it wraps around the crossbar. And that's kind of the point of the game. So I built this today. I think it cost me like $30. If you want to buy a kit online, it's usually double that. You can pick up this stuff at Home Depot, and it's really easy to do. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and let's elevate your wedding. All right, so materials needed. You're going to want, so you can build this with 2 game pieces or just one. I'm just going to build one for the tutorial. So if you want 2, you would just need to double what you see here, mainly the PVC pipe. So you can go to Home Depot. The first thing you're going to want to buy is some heavy-duty PVC cement glue. You're going to need 6 90-degree elbows, and you're going to need 6 PVC T-pieces. And you're going to want to buy 3/4 inch Schedule 40 PVC, and then some nylon rope for your the actual game like pieces, the balls, some golf balls. These are old golf balls, and then a couple different colors of spray paint to spray our golf balls. And that's really it. And it's going to be real simple. We're really only going to make 2 cuts on the PVC, 2 different lengths, and you can do it by hand, or if you have like circular saw or a table saw, but it's very easy to cut and get the pieces to length because there's not much to it. All right, so for this project, we're going to need, like I said, 2 different lengths of pipe. So we're going to need 8 1-foot pieces, and then we're going to need 7 2-foot pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and just measure out my 8 1-foot pieces and mark them. Alright, so I've marked out 8 1-foot pieces, and then I actually, because these are 10 feet long pieces of pipe, I already have one of my 2-foot pieces, and we're going to need 7 of those. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to measure out 6 more 2-foot pieces. Okay, so I've just measured out, that's 5, so we need 1 more. Alright, so now we've measured all our pieces out. The next step is to cut them. The best way to do this is with a table saw or like a drop saw, circular saw, anything really a power tool. You can also do it by hand, but it's obviously much faster and easier to do it with an electric tool. so we have all our cut pieces. Now all we have to do is put the ladder together. And we have a golf ladder. Alright, so now we've got all of our pieces cut. And the first step we're going to do is we're going to actually build the vertical ladder part. So we're going to take a 2-foot piece and a 90-degree elbow. And we're just going to put it together. Now we're going to come back, I'm going to put it all together and just make sure that everything lines up right, and then we'll come back and we'll glue the joints. The next step, then you're going to take a 1-foot piece, going this way, another 1-foot piece in the other joint, kind of line them up. Then I'm going to take one of these T pieces, put it in like this, keeping everything straight. And you might want to actually spray paint your PVC white, and a lot of the commercial ones you actually spray paint the different crossbars because they're worth different points. Now I'm going to take another 2-footer. So you see where we're going here. Starting to build the ladder. And we're going to have 3 rungs. So another 1-foot piece. Keep it all nice and lined up, and then I'm going to take another one of my PVC T pieces and do the next rung. And then another 2-foot crossbar. Okay, so there's basically our main game piece right there. We're going to do one more 1-foot piece here. Keep dropping it. Alright, so we have that like that. Now we have to just build the base that it's going to go into. And so for the base, I'm going to take my 2 T pieces, okay, and I'm going to put out of the matching side, okay, so they're like this, the 1-foot pieces. Okay, so now you have 2 pieces like this, and they're going to be on the ground like this. So I'm going to take my other 90-degree elbow, put it on to the 1-foot piece, so you see it's at a 90-degree, just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other one facing opposite direction, so you can see what we're doing here. So it should look like that right now. Now I'm going to take another one of my 2-foot pieces here. Okay, we've got like that. Alright, so now we have one side, and it looks like we're actually, I miscounted. You're going to need, I guess, 8 of these. 5, 6, 7. We'll need 7, I guess, so I was short 1. But I'm going to take this, okay, like this here, the other piece. We're going to build the other half. And then I'm going to put my other 90-degree elbow up here. And one more 90-degree elbow. And then this is going to go right in here to this. Now that we have it all fitted together, and I see all the pieces fit and they all line up correctly, I'm going to go back and I'm going to glue all of these together. with PVC glue. Now, the only one you don't want to glue is these two right down here, because that way, when you're done playing with it, if you want to store it away, you can take this out and it breaks down into two pieces so you can put it in your car, or it's easy to travel with. So I'm going to cut one more piece to finish this, and then we'll glue it. All right, so I cut my last piece. I guess, I don't know if I miscounted or what, but this is going to go in here like this. And that's a completed game piece. When we finish, so now that everything fits together, we're going to go back through and we're going to glue all these joints together. And I spoke to you a little bit earlier, but the only two joints you don't want to glue is this one and this one here. And that way, when you're done playing with it, you can take it apart. It breaks down into two pieces, and then you can put it in your car or in your garage or whatever. So in order to glue these together, I'm just going to undo what I did here. Take my, this is heavy duty PVC pipe glue, and I'm gonna just do a little on the outside here and a little on the inside here, and then put it all back together and call it good. Alright, we got those all glued together, and now we're ready to actually make the pieces that we throw. And for that, we're going to need golf balls, spray paint, and some nylon yarn. Alright, so we're going to need 3 pieces of 20-inch string, so I've just measured that out with my tape measure right here. That's 1. 3. Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're going to take a cordless drill, and we're going to drill a hole through the middle of those golf balls with a 3/8 inch drill bit, and then we're going to slide the golf balls on and tie knot, and these are the pieces that we throw at our ladder stand. Alright, so for this next part, I'm going to actually just spray paint. We're going to make 3 pieces. Now, for the game, you're going to probably want to make 6, maybe even 8, so you have some extra. But so we'll do 2 green and 1 yellow just for a demonstration here. Actually, I'll just go all green, but I'm going to spray paint them. And then we'll let that dry. Alright, so our golf balls have dried. I'll be honest, we probably could have done a little bit better job with painting them, but they're finished. Now, we're going to drill a hole through this golf ball in all the golf balls with a 3/8 inch drill bit. You want to be very careful. You don't want to hold this in your hand, because if you slip off the ball, you drill through your finger. So I've got it in a clamp. If you have a vise or a pipe wrench or something like that, it's a good way to hold it. So I'm going to drill a hole through here. The cordless drill. Alright, perfect. So we're probably going to want to touch that up, but you can see the hole there. We can repaint these. Some of the paint came off. But that's what we're going for. We're going to do that 6 times. Alright, so now after we've drilled all our holes in our golf ball, we're going to take our 20-inch piece of nylon rope. We're going to put it through the golf ball, and then we're just going to tie an overhand knot. Just like that. And then we're going to do it on the other end as well. So each one has 2 golf balls. And then we have our throwing. All right, so here you can actually see a completed game piece. So it's got the rope through both ends of the ball. We tied a little overhand knot on each end, and then you're just gonna throw that underhand. So you're gonna repeat that process, whatever you want, 4 pieces, 4 more times. I recommend making some extra ones in case you lose them. And then you're ready to play. All right, so now that we've completed the ladder golf, it's made. So really simple to do. That took me probably in all about 30 minutes. Honestly, the hardest part was making these things right here, the pieces you throw. But it's an easy thing to do. Your guests will love it. Easy to take home. It's fun to take it to football games, whatever. You guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check us out, gruenestate.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Gruene Estate. And hopefully we'll see you guys next week.